The year is 2025. The world has changed in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. Cities have grown taller, technology has become more integrated into our daily lives, and the boundaries of what we thought possible have been pushed further than ever before. Humanity stands at the precipice of a new era in space exploration. Our dreams of reaching the stars are no longer confined to the pages of science fiction. They are becoming a reality, as we prepare for missions that will take us deeper into space than ever before. For decades, the vast cosmic ocean, teeming with stars and galaxies, has beckoned us. The mysteries of the universe have always been a source of wonder and inspiration, driving us to explore and understand our place in the cosmos. Yet, the limitations of conventional technology have kept us tethered to the shores of our pale blue dot. Traditional rockets and satellites, while groundbreaking in their time, are no longer sufficient to meet the demands of our ambitious goals. Now, a revolutionary technology promises to shatter these constraints and propel us into the depths of the cosmos: quantum computing. This cutting-edge field is set to transform not just space travel but every aspect of our technological landscape. At the forefront of this revolution stands Google's Quantum AI Lab, a beacon of innovation nestled amidst the bustling city. This facility is a hub of groundbreaking research and development, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Within its sleek, sterile walls, brilliant minds toil tirelessly, driven by an insatiable curiosity and the audacity to dream the impossible. These scientists and engineers are not just working on theoretical concepts, they are building the future, one quantum bit at a time. Here, amidst a symphony of whirring servers, humming cooling systems, and the faint glow of countless monitors, the future of space travel is being written. The advancements made in this lab will pave the way for humanity's next giant leap, taking us beyond the stars and into the unknown. The epicenter of this revolution is the Willow chip, a technological marvel that seems almost unreal. This chip represents the pinnacle of modern engineering, a fusion of cutting-edge technology and visionary design. It is not just a component, it is the heart of a new era in computing. Encased within a pristine glass chamber, bathed in the ethereal glow of a magnetic field, the chip pulsates with raw computational power. This chamber is not just a protective shell, it is a showcase of the chip's brilliance, highlighting its capabilities and the futuristic environment it thrives in. Its intricate circuitry, a testament to human ingenuity, is a labyrinth of microscopic pathways, a testament to our ability to manipulate the very fabric of reality. Each pathway is meticulously designed, ensuring that every electron flows with precision, contributing to the chip's unparalleled performance. Cooling systems, adorned with delicate tendrils of mist, work tirelessly to keep the chip at its optimal temperature. These systems are a marvel in their own right, using advanced techniques to dissipate heat and maintain the chip's efficiency, ensuring it operates at peak performance. The air hums with the quiet but insistent hum of electricity coursing through intricate wiring, a constant reminder of the immense energy being harnessed. This symphony of electrical currents is the lifeblood of the Willow chip, powering its incredible capabilities and driving forward the future of technology. This is where the impossible becomes possible, where the boundaries of human knowledge are pushed to their limits. In this cutting-edge lab, every innovation is a step towards a future where technology seamlessly integrates with our lives, transforming the way we interact with the world. The true magic of the Willow chip, however, lies not in its physical form, but in the intangible wonders it unveils. With each complex calculation, the chip conjures breathtaking holographic projections, transforming raw data into tangible representations of the cosmos. Star charts shimmer into existence, depicting the intricate dance of celestial bodies with breathtaking accuracy. Theoretical wormholes, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, materialize before our eyes, their intricate geometries hinting at shortcuts through the fabric of space-time. These are not mere images. They are windows into the universe's deepest secrets, portals to realms previously beyond our reach. Surrounding this spectacle of light and data, a team of brilliant scientists huddle, their faces illuminated by the cool glow of transparent touchscreens. Their fingers dance across the smooth surfaces, manipulating complex equations and analyzing streams of data flowing from the Willow chip. Years of dedicated research and countless sleepless nights have culminated in this moment. A symphony of human intellect harmonizing with the raw power of quantum computing. Each line of code, each intricate algorithm, represents a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. They are pioneers, explorers charting the uncharted territories of space-time, guided by the ethereal glow of the Willow chip. The culmination of their work is displayed on a massive screen dominating one wall of the lab. A sleek, futuristic spacecraft, its contours both elegant and purposeful. This is no ordinary vessel, it is the embodiment of quantum possibility, a vessel designed to transcend the limitations of conventional propulsion. Powered by the groundbreaking calculations of the Willow chip, this spacecraft represents the next generation of space exploration. The blueprint pulsates with life, showcasing not just the ship's physical form but also the intricate network of energy conduits that will propel it through the cosmos. Simulations flicker across the screen, depicting the spacecraft effortlessly navigating the gravitational pull of planets, riding the curvature of space-time itself. Through a panoramic observation window, the true inspiration for their endeavors comes into view. The vast expanse of space stretches out infinitely, a canvas of endless possibilities and uncharted territories. Each glance out of the window fuels the imagination, igniting dreams of what lies beyond the known. The Earth, a vibrant sphere of blue and green, hangs suspended in the inky blackness of space, its delicate atmosphere a thin, fragile veil. This sight serves as a poignant reminder of our planet's beauty and fragility, urging us to protect it even as we reach for the stars. The curvature of our planet is unmistakable, a constant reminder of the celestial ballet in which we participate. This gentle arc signifies the boundary of our home, a cradle that has nurtured humanity for millennia. It is a sight that evokes both a sense of belonging and a yearning to explore further. In the distance, a constellation of stars twinkles invitingly, each point of light representing a potential destination. These stars are not just distant suns, they are beacons of hope and curiosity, calling out to the explorers within us to venture into the unknown and uncover the secrets they hold. Closer to home, a lunar base, bathed in the soft glow of the distant sun, serves as a testament to humanity's growing reach. This outpost on the moon symbolizes our first steps beyond Earth, a bold declaration that we are no longer confined to our home planet. It stands as a beacon of human ingenuity and determination. The view is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a constant reminder of the vastness of the universe and the boundless potential that lies before us. As we gaze into the cosmos, we are reminded of our small place in the grand scheme of things, yet also of the incredible capacity for growth and discovery that defines the human spirit. The Willow chip, with its unprecedented computational power, holds the key to unlocking these possibilities. It is a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of hope in a universe filled with both wonder and danger. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of space exploration, one thing is certain: the universe awaits, and thanks to the transformative power of quantum computing, we are finally ready to answer its call.